So today we are turning this blank. The customer's pre-reserved it for Thursday, so we know what shape we're going for. So first of all, we want to shave it down to a cylinder. So now that it's shaped like a cylinder, what I've done is done some markings here. I'm going to engrave them and then shape the rest of the pen, and then we'll be on to sanding. So I hope you're enjoying this video and I hope you like this blank. Blank. Now that we've shaped the blank, it's time to sand it down and get all the marks off it. For this we just use sandpaper and then the micro mesh. So watch it and all of a sudden the shine, you'll notice, will appear. So let's do that. Now that it's actually finished sanding, it's time to micro mesh. It has got sort of a shine to it as it is from just sanding, but once we micro mesh it, it'll really come to life. So I hope you're enjoying this pen so far. Let me know if you like the blank and the shape. If it's not, post a picture below in the comments of a shape that you'd like to see turned, and I'm sure I'll get to it at some point. Thank you. So this is the pen, finally sanished and micro meshed. As you can see, it's got a nice lovely shine to it. So I'll send a final picture off to the customer, make sure it's right. Obviously drill the two ends in and take some photos and a mini video of it turning so you can see the full detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Also, if you could, subscribe to the channel as it really helps. Click the notification button, as in the bell, and then that way you don't miss a video. If you like the video and leave a comment below. Thank you very much.